It's not that complicated. There's a Stegosaurus, there's a T-Rex, and then that's a Velociraptor.
Did you do that? Was that you? Did you do that? Was that you? Did you do
Run.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm a pig.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Baby cow do 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 do, baby cow do 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 do, baby cow do 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 do, baby cow.
What's up, buddy? Here, I know you're hungry. Here you go.
Stop. Before you scroll, take a look at my floofsters. They're really fluffy. You will not regret it. This is Timia. He's super floof. And this is Billy. He's like a croissant, but more fluffy.